Hey, Shannon,
What?
you know what today is?
What is today?
April 11th.
April 11th. That's the 54th anniversary of the launch of Apollo 13.
You're darn right it is.
Hey, we have Apollo 13.
You're darn right we do.
Let's go look at it.
Even though we're under construction right now, we do still have Apollo 13 on display, and we'll keep it that way as long as possible. The way you get to it is through the alternate museum exit. So you can see the plastic right here. We'll do a video in the future about our progress with the construction. But here is Apollo 13.
Apollo 13, the story of, confirms that I would never, ever, ever go to space.
Never.
Never. Even if I knew everything was going to work out. Which part of the harrowing story of Apollo 13 was that they didn't know everything was going to work out.
Yeah, there wasn't a guarantee.
It wasn't a guarantee up until the very last minute. So they had the explosion in the service module. They had to use the lunar module as their lifeboat. But then in order to get back into the Earth's atmosphere, they had to climb back into the command module. Hope everything turned back on. Hope the explosion didn't crack their heat shield, which they're not going to get back into the Earth's atmosphere if it did. Up until the last second, they didn't know. That's why I would never go to space.
All right. So that's Apollo 13. Still on display at the Cosmosphere. Come see it.